So good morning, badminton lovers. We are going to discuss about women's doubles today. Have you participated in the badminton challenge that I have discussed previously in my previous video? Go and watch out that video. Participate in that challenge. It is for everyone. It is for badminton players and everyone who watch badminton, or you are a watcher, you are a player, anyone, you can participate in this challenge. Watch my previous video. Okay. 16 seed is Jung, and 15 seeds are Chang Yang. Then 14 seeds are HSCU Lin. Then 13 seeds are Lenny and City. Then next 12 seeds are Trega from India. Then 11 seeds are Hung and Pei. Then next 10 seeds are Fabriana and Amelia. Then 9 seeds are Rin and K. Now the main draw starts. Main draw, I will say that main players who can give tough competition to everyone, like 8 seeded players, which are Yuki Fukushima and Matsumoto. Look, after Matsuyama and Shida, the best player I think from Japan who can win any tournaments, give tough fight to top players are Fukushima and Matsumoto. After, I will say that the breakup of Matsuyama Shida, Shida is going with another player. I have discussed about that in another video. But main thing is that after Matsuyama and Shida, these players have the capability to win tournaments. Plus, second thing, they are almost capable to, I will say that, give a top rated performance against top rated players like Liu, then Pearly 10th, anyone. Okay, now let's talk about how many chances are there that Matsumoto and Fukushima and Matsumoto can win above quarterfinals or semifinals. I will say that quarterfinals will be the best for them, as this is world championships, not super 500 or super 750. There will be a tough competition. Okay, so next are 7 seeded Li Luo. I will say that Li Luo are the best players who can beat Liu 10. Mind you, no one is there right now who can beat Liu 10. There are some matches in which players have extended their gameplay from Liu 10, like in third set and all, but still Liu 10 won. And why I'm saying that Li Luo, who are 7 seeded players, can win against Liu 10 is that they are from China. Look, every time when a Chinese doubles players participate in any tournament, you cannot say that they will win, they will lose in first round, second round and all. Any player, take any player, they have capability of winning any tournament. Okay, so that's why I think that Li Luo, and even Li Luo has the capability to beat Liu 10. Okay, and I will recommend anytime Li Luo's match is going on, please watch that. Okay, let's go to 6 seeded players, Zhang and Jia. I became fan, I will say that not fan, but I started liking Zhang's gameplay more. Jia is of course Olympic champion, and she has that experience of world championships, top rated tournaments. And Zhang, oh my god, last month Pearly 10 versus Zhang and Jia, when Zhang was having issues in her back, and still she gave her 10,000%, and I was literally impressed by her. The main thing about Zhang is that she literally complements Jia's gameplay. Jia personally is top rated player. Okay, personally, not personally, in as an individual. Okay, she's top rated performer, and Zhang, oh my god, she's top. Okay, so what are the chances? I think so semifinals will be the best thing, and they even have the chance to be in finals also. But I will predict that they can be around the semifinals and or not. I will say that even if they reach finals, I will not be surprised. Okay, but still semifinals is, I will say that, stamp. Okay, next are Kim Kong. From last few months, I'm not having that vibes from Kim Kong. 2024 to even starting of 2025 were good for Kim Kong, but last few months Kim Kong are not performing at their main potential. They have the potential, and at the same time I will discuss about 4th seeded where Bakley. I have more, I will say, the trust in Bakley, who can perform at the semifinals, quarterfinals, and even finals also. Can be the breakthrough pair from World Championships 2025? I think so. Bakley can do any upsets. They can be even finals too. I think out of from these two pairs, Korean pairs like Kim Kong and I will say that Bakley, I have more trust in Bakley. Okay, as they are going in superb form right now. Next, we will talk about 3rd seeded players, which are Matsuyama and Shida. as they are just I will say that separating after World Championships. There is not much to discuss here. Even if they win, that's completely fine. Anywhere if they lose, that's completely fine too. So I will not discuss about them much. Even though I like them, I like their pair, I like their gameplay and everything. Maybe semis or quarters, but watching China Open, Japan Open performance from these both of the players, I think quarters or semis, not more than that. And let's talk about Perlitan and Thinna. These are the players who are performing continuously from in 2025 7. I will say that 2025 is the best for Politan and Thinna, as they have in second rank too. They are performing continuously in each and every tournament, and main thing is that their coordination. I have never seen coordination issues in them. Of course, in China Open there was little bit of thing, but that's not a big issue. Puritan and Thinna can win this tournament, Okay, World Championships, they has the capability, but their biggest nightmare, like nightmare for Sachi or Chia, so right. So as same here, Puritan and Thinna's nightmare are Liu 10. No matter how much they try, no matter how much things they do, they always get shot against Liu 10. And coming to first seeded players, we are Liu 10. I think so. Final will be between Polit and Thinna and Liu 10. This is the most expected thing. They are first and second seeded players. But what I think is that one of them, either Liu 10 or Polit 10, are going to lose in their separate semi-finals or quarterfinals. I'm just getting those vibes. Majority of the time it happens that first two seeded players collide in finals. Majority of the time this thing happens that first seed will be on finals and second seed will be in the finals. But I am getting the vibes that Puritan Thinna or even Liu 10, one of those two pairs is going to lose in starting of quarterfinals or semi-finals. I'm just getting vibes. Maybe I'm wrong. Just comment down your views. Who is going to win in women's doubles? What are the views like? Who is going to win World Championships and everything? Just comment down below. Okay, see you in next video.